When you look into any great innovation, you'll discover that there is so much more behind it. On the surface, the cell phone is simple and intuitive, so easy to use and accessible. But the technology driving it is intricate and complex, and as revolutionary as the people that created it. Technology is, at its best, a function for connection. And with the vision to connect the Illinois tech community and convey the story of Mike Galvin, we knew we had to utilize technology to do so. Mike Galvin has championed the purpose of Illinois Tech, to harness the power of collective difference to advance innovation for all. That was the ethos behind the process and the design of what would become the Galvin experience. Bridging the physical and digital worlds, you began outside of the Michael Paul Galvin Tower, where imagery is projected across the exterior glass. Once inside, you enter a modern and sophisticated space that is adorned with timeless furniture, linking back to the mid-century brilliance of our Mies van der Rohe campus. The open floor plan encourages exploration of the main interactive wall, featuring a vibrant panoramic display offset by the clean, white aesthetic. Use the magic of motion to navigate your own journey through the overlapping history of Motorola, Illinois Tech, and the Galvin family, all driven by powerful servers hidden from view. Right below, get your hands on physical artifacts, like the first cell phone, affectionately known as the Brick. Connecting the past to the present, you can even share your Illinois Tech story through the touchscreen. Look beyond this amazing array of glass panels, pixels, and technology, and you'll find the intention behind the innovation. It wasn't just what we created that had to be different, but how we created it. Our process brought together strategists, content specialists, technologists, and architects, environmental and digital designers, engineers, and builders, all working alongside faculty and staff. Hundreds of people contributed their different talents and perspectives, and as with any great innovation, it was not just one of these contributors that led to the result, but the collective. The Galvin experience is here not only to honor a man and his family, but to celebrate the power of difference to make a difference.